here and you are struggling, you must go to this side. If you're a Christian, you will now become what? A pagan there. But if you're a pagan here and you want to force yourself there, it will only change your belief, your religion. That is the only thing. So let's continue with the message. So the next thing you're going to discover in that kind of house is that, look at it. They're going to be general. Before you know, you see general cooperation. Everybody start mixing together. There's not like, oh, I belong here, I belong to that. No, everybody start mixing up together. So that's why you now see this one can meet with this can cooperate with this can cooperate with this, like we did in FMC. Okay, FMC. You know, we say this father, mother, child. Don't forget about it. So then you see 5 into this, that is 15. Let's go fast because we already are aware of it. 15, then the child is A. Then this also move to this. Then the sign, which is plus, maybe this one give us minus. 5 to 4, giving us 20. Then the sign to sign, which is a plus. Then 5 and 2 is mother. 5 and 2 is what? 10. Then A comes in. 10 equal to, coming to this side, 10 into 2, 20. Then A comes in. Plus 10 into 5, that is 50. So you have done this. That is why when we started this work, we discovered that in the beginning, we have passed through all this place. So Meshma, the way we design is a way that once I introduce that thing for you in the beginning, you just see yourself, you end in a road that you have already known your way. Okay? But this one now, let's look at it because of this sign of equality. Okay? That's a different thing. So now that there's already general cooperation, which means there's general cooperation. There's not like, no, I can't cooperate with you. We're just coming. No. In that place, as time goes on, the next thing you're going to see that you see everyone start cooperating together. General cooperation. Then, when it's a general cooperation, little do you know, you discover that in a while, one was working. One sitting there, I discovered that one was cooking. He said, what are you cooking? He now mentioned the food. You people know this food? Yes. That is our village food though. Is it your village food? Where do you come from? I am from so place. That's my village now. Oh, suddenly, can you see now? Suddenly see both of them. Since that time they made that introduction, they discovered themselves. Know that they're the same place. They started cooperating so closely. You see them coming together better and stronger than the people who he landed together with. He came with other people into that compound. But see now that we discover with time as they are cooperating together, the person came to discover that my brother is in this place. He's eating the same food with me. We have the same culture, the same tradition. He's my brother. From that time, they are no good. Their closeness, you can't separate them again. So you see, everybody starts landing to his own brother or your own sister, whoever your own tradition and all that. That's the next thing you're going to start seeing in that hostel. That is it. So in that case, we want to see the people that are together. So this one 15A, we're having 10A, trying to tell you they are together, the same family. So they have to come together. Come close. 15A. This 10A coming, having 10A, then going 20, equal to, this one is 20A and having 50. This also I've given you another mark. Why? What have you just done? You just quickly bring in these people that are living this together in this same apartment. They just discovered themselves. I have to bring them, let them discover themselves. So now they've discovered themselves. And they're very close now. You bring them together. So now 15A and 10